Hello everybody, my name is Bill. This is the channel SixRounds Studio. Today we're going to repair a crack in the stock of this replica Beretta M1000 black powder over and under shotgun. Let's get the job done. So the last thing we need to do is to rub this out with rotten stone, just to soften that hard finish a little bit. Make it blend. We don't want the repair to look better than the surrounding wood. All right, we'll let that dry for 24 hours and we'll give this back to the owner. Another great repair done, and hopefully I exceeded the owner's expectations. We'll get this back to him this week. I know he was going to watch this video. Next project is coming up, but if you want to know what that project is, you're going to have to go over to my Instagram page. The link is somewhere here, somewhere. So you have to go to the Instagram page, and I'll be sharing some short videos over there talking about what the next project is. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, it helps the algorithm say, yes, this is a good channel worth watching. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. We like doing this stuff for you guys. I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.